welcome back to my channel. Victoria here. Like I told you guys, I want to bring some new content and new style videos to my channel, so today is going to be the first one, and if this goes well, I'll definitely do more of these. And today's video is obviously, like the title says, it's going to be a story time. See, I don't have like a super crazy life, but every once in a while something ridiculous or out of the ordinary happens. Let's get into the video. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video if you like it, and thumbs up this video so I know you guys like story times as well, so I can do more of them. And yeah, subscribe. So you guys know I went to Dubai back in May. If you haven't already seen like my vlog on this trip, I'll link it right here or in the description box so you guys check it out. It was a lot of fun. Went out, like I said, you can watch the vlog to see what I did and what I got up to and all that. And yeah, everything was going well until the very last night, you guys. Before I went to Dubai, I've obviously heard stuff about like you can get in trouble for like the minor things, and like their jail time is like a minimum of like 10 years or something crazy like that. So I've always heard about stuff like that, but like I'm always like, I like to experience stuff for myself, but like I like to basically give places like the benefit of the doubt. So if I hear something about a country, like I'd rather just go there and really see what it's like. And yeah, Ramadan period was just about to start during the time that I went to Dubai. So I had two outfit options for the very last night. I really wanted to look cute and just sexy so I could take some pictures and stuff like that. So for my two outfit options, I had one. The first option was kind of like this dress that it has like not long sleeves, but like the sleeves are like 3/4, like it stops right here. And it's very cute, very elegant, nice flowy dress. And then the other option, which I'll show a picture right here, is this my sexy like date night black dress, single straps, showing a little cleavage. It has a nice little slit in front, and yeah, it was a very sexy outfit. So I was trying to decide which one should I wear. My mom was like, why don't you wear the black dress? It's nice, sexy, so you can look cute and we can take pictures and stuff like that. I was like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah, like the other dress, she was like, the other dress looks a bit like like it's dry, I should wear the black one and whatever. Like, so obviously typically here in Canada, if I wore something like that out, like it's not a problem, like it's not like, it wasn't too much, like it's fine. So I decided to go with the black dress. So I finished my makeup and we got ready. I think it was about like 12 midnight at this point, and I had already checked previously the restaurant by my hotel what time it closes, and it said it closes around like 1 or 2. I can't remember exactly, but so I was like, yeah, we have time, like we're not going to eat for 10 years. I didn't know that once, like when Ramadan is about to start, the hours for like the restaurants and basically most places close earlier, just so I guess people can like go home and the fasting begins. I'm not really sure like the exact reason, but I think that's what they explained to me. So we go downstairs and everything, wearing my sexy dress, and then so we go downstairs and then I'm walking, I'm already seeing like people just looking at me like, sis, did you miss the memo? Ramadan starts tomorrow. So I'm getting all sorts of looks and I'm just like, oh my god, like I was feeling very self-conscious. So we get to the restaurant downstairs, and then they're like, oh, the restaurant is closed, that basically because of Ramadan they close early, and yeah, that's what they said. And then I was like, wow, okay. So me and my mom then decided to like go into the city and just look for a different restaurant to go to and stuff like that. So we stepped outside the hotel. Once I stepped outside my hotel, friends, I saw these two guys standing beside me. They just turned, just looked my way, and they're speaking their language. I don't know what they're talking about. I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys. I was so nervous because I'm just like, oh, are they talking about me? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So they're talking, and then next thing, this guy just like goes on his phone. In my head, I'm like, wow, it's all over. Like, that's it. I'm going to jail tonight. Like, it's done. So, like, honestly thought, like, the guy was called the cops on me. Let me tell you why I thought this. So, my mom entered a taxi that was in front of the hotel. And we're basically sitting on a taxi just trying to decide where we want to go to. Next thing, you guys, what do I hear? Like siren, like it wasn't going off, but it just like made a sound. You know, like when police comes and they just make that little so you know, they get there type of thing. So I was like, wow, this guy really snitched and called the cops on me. Like, wow. So you guys, my heart was beating fast. Like, I can't even lie, I was scared because I'm just like, first of all, this is like a foreign country. The last thing I want is to be getting in trouble in a foreign country. Like, yeah, honestly, you don't want any of that. And then, you know, you have to contact like Canadian immigration and like, yeah, no, I was not about to deal with that. So I was scared shitless. So me and my mom are just in the taxi. My mom was speaking to me in Igbo. She's like, hey, Hapona, what do they call this? Ndieke. I think that's what police is in Igbo. Hapona Ndieke. Oh, that we've entered Wahala. So Wahala means like trouble type of thing. So I'm like, Mom, this is your fault because you're the one that told me to wear this dress. I just basically just started ranting. Anyways, in the car, the taxi driver was not like, Miss, I don't know where you guys decide to go to, but your dress is very skimpy. I'm like, if you don't shut up, like, I don't already know, like, my dress is already, like, you don't have to now measure it again. Like, okay, I get it. Okay. He was like, yeah, that I might, you know, get in trouble and stuff like that. So I was just like, oh my days. So the police car is still behind, right? But then I couldn't even, like, we're still in front of the hotel at this point. So I was like, okay, Mom, so like, should we just go back to the hotel? Because where am I going to go to? Like, I'm not trying to get in trouble somewhere that's even further from the hotel where I can't just like, you know, like come back home. So basically, I was like, oh, Mom, do you want to go into the hotel and like bring me like sweatpants or something so I can just quickly change in the taxi and then come out of the car? Because I was scared shitless. I honestly thought like once I stepped foot out of that taxi, they were going to arrest me. Like, I was convinced. So yeah, and basically the police car just stayed there, and like obviously the police officers were inside the car. So I didn't know what to think, you guys. Like, I don't even know if, like, till this day I'm still like, did that man really call the cops on me, or like were the police just coincidentally there at the same time? Like, I don't know what it was, but like, thank God I'm here and I came back to Canada safely. But so what happened was, my mom and I, we just said, you know what, let's just go back home and sleep because this night is already getting too much. We've only been out for less than 10 minutes and all this has already happened, so let's just go back. So basically, we came out of the taxi and I ran, like the way I ran into the hotel, woo! You guys, I ran. Obviously, if I go into my hotel, they don't know my name, they don't know who I am. Go to my room, I'm safe. So yeah, you guys, sorry the lighting keeps changing, you guys. The sun is setting and I just put on my ring lights just so I can round up the video. But yeah, guys, so I ran back to my hotel and thank God nobody came to call me in my room or anything crazy like that. So yeah, guys, that's the story of how I almost got arrested in Dubai, but I didn't. So thank God. I had a lot of people asking me actually about this, whether there was a problem with my outfit or anything like that. I didn't experience any like issues. And honestly, throughout my whole trip, my outfits were not even like anything dramatic at all. I would still go to Dubai. Even like tomorrow, I'll book a ticket and go there because I absolutely love that country and I had so much fun there. And there's just so much, so many things to do and so many places to go to. So it's a lot of fun. Would I recommend it to you? Yes. Maybe just don't go there during Ramadan period because obviously, you know, like, it's just best to kind of respect their religious practices even if you're not from the same religion. But yeah, so Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this story was somewhat interesting, and I'll see you all in my next one. Have a blessed week. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section so we can have a discussion. But yeah, thank you guys so much once again, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.